Carbon Market, the largest market in Cebu City, Philippines. The oldest market in Central Visayas region. As the largest market in the city, various wares are sold in Carbon, including dry goods such as clothing and handicrafts, as well as wet goods such as fruits, vegetables, and meat, among other goods, sold by approximately 6,000 vendors in the market. Modernization project by Mega World Construction Corporation. Nandito yung mga fruits and vegetable naman doon sa loob. Different variety of sweet potatoes.
Ilang kilo na kamuti, te?
30 naman.
Pila?
30.
30.
Ito yung loob ng bagsakan ng mga gulay. At may nagdi-display na dito ng chicharon, perfect for snacks and delicacy from Carcar City. And people are coming together eating balot.
Wow!
Simula na ito ng night market. Fermented fish with jelly.
Pini ate nga ginamo.
Yung hinit yung kaso.
So ito yung putuhan sa Carbon. They are serving the famous putumaya ng Cebu. Putumaya and sikwati. Cebu's famous local delicacy.
Amara ma'am.
Sikwate? Oo, sikwate.
Sir.
Nagpilati.
And cheese.
Lagi, sikwate
Pila
po.
na.
Cheese.
Foto.
Cheese.
Tatan ramam.
Madami ding nagtitinda ng putumaya dito. At ito na nga ang ating sikwati at putumaya. Mangga na lang yung kulang.